In this course, you will learn construction project management using Primavera and Primavera Risk Analysis software. You will get an end-to-end experience on performing, scheduling, planning, budgeting, and resource management of construction projects using the Primavera software. You will also learn to determine the risks involved in the project and manage them efficiently using the Primavera Risk Analysis software. As part of the course, you will learn practically about the concepts like critical path method, PERT, earned value management, Monte Carlo simulation. The course is based on Skyfi Labs, learn, do, review methodology, which ensures that you learn the technical concepts, in addition to building the project. A topic like construction project management can only be mastered by developing projects, and Skyfi Labs makes the process super easy for you. Get course access instantly upon enrollment. And you can complete the course within 1 week, from anywhere on Earth, and earn a certificate. Using Skyfi Labs courses, you will not only build projects with a definite output, but also learn the concepts involved in it. So you can attend and crack interviews with confidence. Enroll today and start learning by building projects.